So we've finally decided to clear the garden for the springtime. It's a little bit chilly still, so I'm going to show you around the garden quickly. It's a little bit of a mess from the winter, so let's have a look. We have it, so fake turf, it's got some kind of black muck all over it, there's dog toys everywhere. These could do with a little bit of a jet wash. Fence panels, new fence panels that need painting. Them ones need redoing as well, and the posts need a bit of a touch up on the bottom post there as well. I want to get rid of these stones at some point if we can. This bench is going. Back, again, more fence panels on that back area we want to get rid of. Decking needs scrubbing, cleaning, repainting, and many more things to it. Some house, again, some signs of wear on the side there, you need repainting. And then we have this bit over here, so essentially over here now, this dog cage has got around the complete, the dogs have got a bit of a habit of chewing stuff, as you can see at the back, just here. And then we've got some garden furniture on there, which is going to all the way away, so that needs to come off as well. And then we have the football net, which Rory wasn't too happy about using for this, but it needs to be usable again. So yeah, so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to have a look at starting this. So yeah, bit of a mess. So let's have a look and see what's going to go first. I think the first thing we'll do is going to be to start dismantling this whole setup over here. So the first thing I'm actually going to do is look inside this brown box, because I actually planned dismantling the trampoline and put it back in there. So let's just have a look what's in here. That's where the old swimming pool was then. Let's dismantle these balls, let's get these balls out first. And a basketball as well. You reckon is it going in? Terrible. Absolutely not. Oh my god, right, so I've just cleared them up. I've just threw them behind here for the minute. And mini skateboard, cool. So basketball, one thing I didn't notice, and I'm not sure I'm quite happy with touching right now, is come down here. What the heck is the little spider doing on there? I don't like spiders. So now we've taken everything down, we've got several piles of things to put away. That's just it. Now we've got to put it all away. That's taking down a trampoline, and that's just the first of many jobs to do, so I'm gonna get headed to do that now. So this is where the trampoline was, and this is how it looks now. You can see even this trampoline, you can see marks on the outside and where the legs have been. How clean it is there compared to that. So yeah, that's part one done. That's the trampoline down. I'm not sure what I'm going to do next part yet, but we will see hopefully soon.